In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight values that are not between two specific values. So we have some random numbers. Now let's just say we want to highlight all of the random numbers that are not between 100 and 400. So to do this, we can go to the Home tab, then over to Conditional Formatting. Click on this drop-down menu right here, and here we can click on New Rule. After clicking on New Rule, we want to go down to the second from the top one and say Format only cells that contain cell values that instead of clicking between, so we want to click cell values that are not between values. And well, what cell values do we want to highlight that are not between? We want to highlight cell values that are not between 100 and 400. And here you click on the Format button to decide how you want to format these specific cells. So click on the Format button, and as you can see, we can adjust the number format to be whatever we want it to be. So say we want currency format. We can have the font be whatever we want. So we want it to be currency format bold, and whatever font color we want. So let's just say we want a red font color too, and we don't want to strike through, so I click that out. And it's also here you can see a preview of this font right here, and we can have whatever border that we want. So just say we want to have a border around these cells too, and we can have the fill be whatever color that we want. So just say we want the fill to be also red. Okay, click OK. And as you can see, cell values now between 100 and 400 don't show up at all because the font's colored the same color as the fill, but as you can see, they're highlighted. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.